In a world where roots run wild, only these girls will be able to determine the nature of the root.
The discriminant will help us determine the nature of the roots. If it's less than 0, it's imaginary.
Good.
If it equals 0, the roots are real, rational, and equal. If it's greater than 0,
the roots are real, rational, and unequal.
If it's greater than 0 and not a perfect square, the roots are real, irrational, and unequal.
But how will this help us get the roots?
A is 2, B is -3, and C is 4. Then we plugged it into the discriminant.
3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 2 is -8. -8 times 4 is -32. 9 minus 32 is -23. This is less than 0, so the roots are imaginary. Okay, here's another example. Plug it in, so it's -2 squared minus 4, 3 times -4. -2 to the second power is 4. -4 times 3 is -12. -12 times -4 is plus 48. 4 plus 48 is 52. So now that it's greater than 0 and not a perfect square, the roots are real, irrational, and unequal. We have found the nature of the roots.
Okay.
-4. What are you doing?
I love math. I love math.
Oh, -2. So wait, let me walk them through it.
R3 isn't the person. Go. The discriminant will help us.
Wait. Where's my hand? Okay.
Oh my god.
If it's less than 0, it's... Oh, pause. I forgot to pause.
Okay, 7. So it's less than 0, so it's imaginary. I'm just kidding. It's... Oh. How come you...
We need that more light. I don't look good today. I'm finding the roots.